Hey you guys, today's recipe is plain Jane mashed potatoes. So we're going to start with cutting all of the skin off of our potatoes. And after you finish each potato, go ahead and place your potato in a bowl of cool water. As you can see, we already have our bowl to the side. Then after you get all of the skin cut off of your potato, we're going to head and cut them into nice sized chunks, just like this. If you have trouble cutting them in your hand, you can also cut them on a cutting board as well. It makes it even easier. Now our potatoes with all the water drained, and go ahead and add your salt to the water and place your potatoes right in the water. So you want to cook these for about 20 minutes until they're fork tender, just like this, almost hard to pick up and falling off the fork. And then you can drain your excess water. Alright, after we drain all of our water off of our potatoes, then we're going to transfer them to a bowl so we can start the preparation process. So start off with some salt. And then we're going to add our pepper. And of course, butter. Plenty of butter. That's the secret to the taste of these potatoes. Butter in the milk we're going to add. Alright, go ahead and add plenty of milk. You can add your milk a little bit at a time so you can make sure you don't add too much. And we're just going to mix with the fork. That's all you need. If your potatoes are still too lumpy with mixing them with the fork, then go ahead and use a hand mixer. We're going to transfer them into a nice bowl. And you can smooth them out however you like with the back of a spoon. These potatoes are perfect with a dish like our classic meatloaf recipe. So that's really it, you guys. These are simple, plain mashed potatoes. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so that you never miss a recipe.